AI could help cut global emissions by up to 10%. But, left unchecked, it could also add 3% to them by 2030. So, what decides which way it goes is how we design, deploy, and scale these systems. In the next few minutes, you'll see how AI is not just a tech upgrade, but a strategic lever capable of driving both real ROI and planetary progress. Let's begin. AI is proving its worth beyond just automation, acting as a multiplier for sustainable performance. For example, Boston Consulting Group estimates that AI across corporate systems could reduce greenhouse gas emissions by 5 to 10% globally. That's 2.6 to 5.3 gigatons of CO2. On top of that, it could generate $1.3 to $2.6 trillion in cost savings and new revenue opportunities by 2030. And it's not just BCG. The European Parliament's think tank projects AI could reduce global emissions by 1.5 to 4% by 2030, helping companies hit critical sustainability goals. So the bottom line is that this positions AI as more than efficiency. It's a profit-friendly path to net zero. But not everything is positive. AI itself comes with a carbon cost. Training large language models like GPT-3 has emitted over 550 metric tons of CO2, equivalent to dozens of cars on the road in 1 year. And as AI adoption grows, the IMF estimates that global electricity demand for AI could triple by 2030, potentially adding 1 to 3% more greenhouse gas emissions if we are not careful. So what is the key takeaway? That sustainable AI is not automatic. It requires intentional design and energy-smart infrastructure, or we risk offsetting the gains. Now here's one key advantage. One of the most practical ways AI is helping sustainability is ESG reporting. Traditionally, companies track emissions and risks manually. It's slow, costly, and sometimes inconsistent. AI tools can now consolidate ESG data, create real-time dashboards, and even predict emerging risks. Some platforms report a 300% ROI in just 1 year and have cut reporting time by 70%. According to preprints, AI carbon accounting tools improve data accuracy for 75% of organizations, optimized efficiency for 78%, and cut costs for 62%. In short, AI is turning ESG from a box-checking exercise into actionable insight. These are not just concepts. AI-powered sustainability is live now. Satellite imagery and geospatial AI, as reported by Deloitte, now detect methane leaks, monitor deforestation, and track emissions across supply chains. Companies are also using AI to accelerate carbon capture site selection. It's faster, more precise, and cost-effective. Platforms like Climatic, for example, automate Scope 3 emissions tracking and just raised $11.6 million to scale this capability. These examples show that AI can scale sustainability in ways that probably humans alone cannot. But there is a tension between scale and sustainability. Data centers still account for a growing share of global electricity, and many rely on fossil fuel backup. Even moderately sized AI models can consume huge amounts of water and energy during training and inference. As Mistral's life cycle audit shows, some AI models can emit 20.4 kilotons of CO2 equivalent and consume 281,000 meter cubes of water, enough for over 5,100 people per year. Scaling AI doesn't guarantee sustainability. Without careful planning and intentional infrastructure alignment, scaling AI can undermine the sustainability gains it promises. So how do we get it right? Here's a roadmap. First, build energy-efficient models. Techniques like model compression and better prompt design can cut down energy use without hurting performance. Second, choose cloud providers that actually run on renewables and give you clear numbers on energy use. Third, use AI to track supply chain emissions. Tools like Climatic can predict and manage Scope 3 emissions, which are often the hardest to measure. Fourth, use predictive AI and satellite data to spot climate risks early, things like methane leaks or deforestation before they spread. Finally, make sustainability part of business strategy. ESG shouldn't just be about compliance. It should actually create value. AI doesn't just automate. It can amplify sustainability if we build it right. It can generate profit, reduce emissions, and can help create a resilient future. If you found this useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Up next, we'll explore low-carbon AI systems. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep building a better you.